Have you ever found yourself puzzled by whether a certain type in your code is complete? It can be a real head-scratcher, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to check if a type is complete in your C++ code. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you're trying to optimize your code and you're not sure if a type is complete or not. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face this challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how do I check whether a certain type is a complete type in a C++ file? They mentioned wanting to optimize a delete function in their custom smart pointer. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what does it mean for a type to be complete? In C++, a complete type is one that has been fully defined, meaning the compiler knows its size and layout. This is crucial for certain operations, especially when it comes to memory management. And stick around. I've got a great tip at the end that will help you optimize your code even further. You won't want to miss it. To check if a type is complete in C++, the user can utilize a technique involving a template class. First, they should define a template class that includes a pointer to the type in question. Next, the user should create two member functions within the class. One function will handle the case when the type is complete, and the other will handle the case when it is not. Then, the user can implement a conditional statement in a third function to determine whether the type is complete. This function will call the appropriate member function based on the type's completeness. Finally, the user should test their implementation to ensure that the correct function is called based on the type's completeness. This can be done by creating instances of the template class with different types. Fun fact, did you know that C++ was originally designed to add object-oriented features to the C programming language? It's come a long way since then, and understanding types is key to mastering it. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that in C++, there's a rule called the one definition rule, or ODR. It allows multiple declarations, but only one definition of a function or type across translation units. However, with templates, this can lead to complications. If a function template expands differently in different translation units, it can cause undefined behavior. In your case, trying to detect if a type is complete could lead to multiple definitions of a function, which violates ODR. They also caution about using macros, as changes in macro definitions can also lead to ODR violations. The user also mentions that while detecting whether a type is complete can be tricky, it can be useful for providing diagnostics with static assertions. They note that some implementations of the standard template library, like unique pointer destructors in GCC, utilize this technique. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your types are complete before performing operations that depend on their size. This will save you from potential runtime errors and make your code more efficient. And there you have it. You now know how to check if a type is complete in C++. Remember, understanding your types is crucial for writing efficient code. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more coding insights.